The Saga of the Cosmic Throne. Valtor, master of time and space. In a realm far beyond the reaches of ordinary mortals, there existed a being known as Valtor the Interdimensional Inquisitor. Valtor was a master of time and space, with a keen intellect and a thirst for knowledge that surpassed that of any other being in the multiverse. He possessed a deep fascination with alchemy, the ancient art of transmutation and transformation, and sought to uncover its most arcane secrets. One fateful day, while delving into the annals of history, Valtor stumbled upon a mention of the city of Alexandria in Egypt, renowned as a center of alchemical knowledge during the height of ancient Egyptian civilization. Intrigued, Valtor delved deeper into the historical records and learned that even after the decline of Egyptian culture, Alexandria continued to be a beacon of alchemical wisdom during the Greek and Roman eras. However, his excitement turned to sorrow as he discovered that almost no original Egyptian documents on alchemy had survived. It was said that Emperor Diocletian had ordered the burning of alchemical books in Alexandria after suppressing a revolt in 296, leading to the loss of invaluable knowledge. But Valtor, undeterred, was determined to uncover the lost secrets of Egyptian alchemy and restore them to their former glory. With a resolve as unyielding as the hardest metal, Valtor embarked on a perilous journey through time and space, using his mastery of interdimensional travel to navigate through the ages. He traversed ancient civilizations, sought out forgotten sages, and deciphered cryptic clues to locate ancient alchemical tomes and texts that were scattered across time and space. Valtor's quest took him to the golden age of Egypt, where he consulted with the great alchemist of the time and learned the ancient techniques of transmutation. He then traveled to the height of Greek and Roman civilizations, conversing with philosophers and sages who had studied the works of their Egyptian predecessors and preserved fragments of their knowledge. But the path to uncovering the lost secrets of Egyptian alchemy was fraught with challenges. Valtor faced treacherous traps, encountered formidable adversaries, and overcame insurmountable obstacles that tested his skills and resolve to their limits. He ventured into hidden chambers buried beneath the sands of time, deciphered long-forgotten hieroglyphics, and unlocked ancient alchemical formulas that held unimaginable power. As he delved deeper into the mysteries of Egyptian alchemy, Valtor uncovered a dark conspiracy that sought to exploit the ancient knowledge for nefarious purposes. He battled against malevolent forces and foiled their wicked schemes, determined to protect the sanctity of alchemical wisdom and prevent it from falling into the wrong hands. Valtor's journey took him across dimensions, through epochs and civilizations, and he became a legend whispered in the halls of time. He braved the scorching deserts of Egypt, scaled the towering peaks of the Himalayas, and delved into the depths of the Amazon rainforest, following the elusive trail of the ancient alchemical texts. Finally, after years of relentless pursuit, Valtor stood at the heart of Alexandria, the once great center of alchemical knowledge. He had gathered the scattered fragments of Egyptian alchemy, deciphered their secrets, and unlocked the wisdom hidden within. With a heart filled with awe and reverence, Valtor gazed upon the ancient tomes and texts that he had painstakingly collected, holding in his hands the culmination of his epic quest. as he closed his eyes and whispered incantations that echoed through the ages. Valtor felt a surge of power coursing through his veins. He had become the embodiment of alchemical mastery, wielding the knowledge and wisdom of the ancients. With newfound clarity, Valtor realized the true purpose of his quest was not just to amass knowledge and power, but to safeguard it and ensure it was used for the greater good. He made a vow to uphold the principles of alchemy, to strive for balance, harmony, and transformation, and to never succumb to the temptations of greed or destruction. With his newfound abilities and wisdom, Valtor set out to restore the lost glory of Egyptian alchemy. He shared his knowledge with worthy seekers, passing down the ancient teachings to those who would carry the torch of alchemical wisdom into the future. He established schools and sanctuaries across the multiverse, where aspiring alchemists could learn and practice the ancient arts in reverence and respect for the mysteries of the universe. Valtor's reputation as the Interdimensional Inquisitor spread far and wide, and he was sought after by rulers, scholars, and seekers from all realms. He counseled kings and emperors, aiding them in using alchemy for the betterment of their people and the preservation of their lands. He mended ancient grudges, healed deep wounds, and mended the fabric of time and space itself, using his alchemical mastery to restore balance wherever it was needed. But Valtor's journey was not without challenges. He faced formidable adversaries who sought to abuse alchemy for their selfish gains. He confronted dark alchemists who had strayed from the true path, wielding twisted and corrupted forms of alchemy that threatened to disrupt the delicate fabric of existence. He fought against the forces of chaos and destruction, risking his own life and sanity to protect the ancient wisdom he had uncovered. Through his trials and tribulations, Valtor grew not only in power, but in wisdom and compassion. He learned the true essence of alchemy was not just about the transmutation of physical elements, but also the transformation of the soul. He understood that true alchemy was a path of self-discovery, self-mastery, and selflessness. As the ages passed, Valtor's legend grew, and his name became synonymous with the restoration of ancient alchemical knowledge. He became a timeless figure, revered by future generations of alchemists who followed in his footsteps. His legacy endured across dimensions, his teachings echoed through the ages, and his deeds immortalized in tales of epic proportions. And so the story of Valtor, the Interdimensional Inquisitor, who traveled through time and space to locate the lost tomes of Egyptian alchemy in Alexandria, became a saga of epic proportions. A tale of adventure, wisdom, and the indomitable spirit of a seeker who safeguarded the ancient knowledge of alchemy for the betterment of all existence. Namaste, namaskaram.